Salutations, today we're going to be looking at the 2017 AMC 10B problem number 14. An integer n is selected at random in the range, where n is an integer between 1 and 2020 inclusive. And the question is, what is the probability that the remainder when n to the 16th power is divided by 5 is 1? So we're looking for the remainder for a specific remainder. So when something's equally divisible by 5, then that means its ones digit is either 5 or 0. And if we want a remainder of 1, we would need a ones digit of 6 or 1. Now, since we're looking for a units digit, and we're looking for n to the 16th power, what would that be? Well, n could be any again, we have to look at the ones digit. So the possible ones digits in this range are 0 to 9, but also each of those digits would occur an equal number of times, as 2020 is evenly divisible by 10. So let's find a pattern of the powers. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. And the reason I'm doing 4 is because, from experience, a lot of powers, actually most of them have, or all of them, I don't know, but a lot of powers have patterns that go in either cycles of 4 or cycles of 2, or even maybe it's just the same power, maybe it's just the same ones digit all the time. So for example, 0 times 0 is always going to be 0. And for 1, well, 1 times 1, we're just going to have 1 all over again, over and over. For 2, now we have 2 times 2, that's 4 times 4 is going to be 16 times 4 is, wait, 9, not that, times 2 is going to be 8 times 2 again, 16. And then we have 3 times 3, 9 times 3 is going to be 7, 27 times 3, 21. And if we want again, that would just be 3 there, and not 3. And multiplying by 2 again, we'll just get 2, so that's where the pattern ends. 2 and 3 would both have a pattern of 4, like a cycle of 4. So 4, we have 4 times 4 is 16, and then 4, and then 6, 5, it's just going to be all 5s. 6 times 6 is 6, it's all going to be 6s. 7 times 7, 49, then we have 63, 7 times 3, 21. Now with 8 times 8, 64, times 8, 32 times 8, 6, 8, is going to be 16. So, and with 9, we have 9 times 9, 81, times 9. So we're done with our patterns now. Now, what do we see? We need to find when the units digit is 6 or 1, which happens here and here in 8 of those cases. And since we already know that 2020 is a multiple of 10, everything would have an equal chance of occurring. So this happens in 8 out of 10 cases, or 4/5. And we're done.